Should I plant my comfrey in the ground? You think they're ready to hit the ground? Is this a good size for them to go ahead and go on the ground? What do you think? And my moringa is going in a pot, so I'm not worried about them. But look at those comfreys, guys. I cannot do anything else for them inside. What do you think? Go ahead and plant them. I want to plant them in the front. What do you think? Can they handle the shade? Or do they need to be over here? Shade. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Should I plant my comfrey in the front? Will this shade be too much shade for them? Or not? This is still morning time. This is probably about 11:30 in the morning. It did have shade when I woke up, meaning the sun when I woke up and got out here starting. But within an hour, this is where we at. And again, it is 11:30. And this side probably be like that majority of the day now, I think. So what do you think? Front? Leave me some comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always know when I put out a new video. Thank you guys. Have a good day.